Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript problem solving playlist. So today's problem is, in a board game, a piece may advance 1 to 6 tiles forward depending on the number rolled on a six-sided die. If you advance your piece onto the same tile as another player's piece, both of you earn a bonus. Can you reach your friend's tile number in the next roll? Create a function that takes your position A and your friend's position B and return a boolean representation of whether it is possible to earn a bonus on a die roll. So let's visualize what this means. Now, let's say this is a board game and you have several uh, steps. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's assume that this is a board game and you are going to roll a die, and that die has written 1 to 6. So if you are in position 1, if the die rolls 3, then you are going to move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, and you are going to come to the fourth position. Now it is asking that can you reach your friend's tile number. Let's assume that right now you are in number 4 position and your friend is in number 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your friend is in number 8 position. Now if you roll the die, how much do you have to get to go to step 8? So you need 1, 2, 3, 4. If you roll the die and you get 4, then you are going to be equal as your friend's number. And when you do that, both of you are going to get a bonus. So this is basically it. It is trying to tell us that if you both when you roll a die, if you can, whether it is possible to get to your friend's number or not. If it is possible, then it is going to be true, and if it is not possible, then it is going to be false. Now let's code it up. So I have written this in the VS Code as well. Now we are going to write the function constant, and here you can see that there is some uh, prompt or some text here, and that is happening because of an extension called q where is it Quaker.js. This is the extension. If you install it, then you press Ctrl Shift P, and then if you write Quaker start on current file, then it is going to run on the current file. What it does, it is going to just output us our JavaScript right in the VS Code. We don't need to go to our browser. So constant, we are going to define a function. The function is going to be called possibleBonus. It is going to take two parameters, parameter A and parameter B, and then we need to put equal sign here, and then we are going to go here and take two variables. Let x is equal to A and let y is equal to B. Now we are going to play a loop. And why are we going to play a loop? Because the die that is going to be rolled has 6 written on it, so it is 1 to 6, right? So we need to play the loop for 6 times. Let I is equal to 1. It is going to start from 1 because the lowest number of the die is 1, and then it is going to be I less than or equal to, it is going to be 6. It is going to be less than 6. So when it does that, it is going to, first thing first, it is going to add x plus 1. So this is your number, right? A is your number and B is your friend number. So on each iteration, your number is going to increase by 1. Now when it does, it is going to compare. If x is equal to what? X is equal to y, then we are going to return true. Now, if not, then we are going to return false. But are you going to return, you don't write it here because it is still in the loop. So you need to write the return false outside of the loop. This is it. Now let's see if it is working or not. Control Shift J, Control J, and then the terminal is going to open. Now we're going to write console.log, then possible bonus. We are going to possible bonus, and we are going to give two numbers. Number is 3 and 7. It should return true. Let's see if it is returning true or not. Yes, it is returning true at possible bonus. So this means that if you roll the die, then it is possible to go to your friends. So because you can, if you roll 4, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is possible. Now, if you roll, let's just say 1 to 9, we know that the die is going to be the limited at 6. The highest number is the 6. So if you add 1 plus 6, then it is going to be 7. It is not going to be possible. It is going to be false. Let's see if it is true or not. 1, 9. See, false at possible bonus 1, 9. Now let's just say if your number is higher than your friend's number, then it shouldn't be possible, right? If you roll the die, then you are going to go forward. If you roll 2, then you're going to be 7. You're not going to be 5 minus 2, 3. You're not going to go backwards. That is a rule. So if I give it 5 and 3, it should return false. So this is it. This is the solution of our problem. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.